Good morning, students. How are you all? Welcome to computer class. Today we will continue our first chapter, uses of computer. But before that, let's recall the things that we did learn in our previous videos. In our previous videos, we did learn about features of computer like speed, accuracy, versatility, storage, diligence, and reliability. Then, limitations of computers like zero intelligence and effect on health. Then, we did learn about computer hardware, the physical part of computers that we can see and touch called computer hardware, and computer software, a set of instructions that tells the computer to perform specific task. Then uses of computer. Use of computer at home. We use computer to play game, listen music, watch movie, type letters, store address and phone number, to draw and paint, make cards, plan budgets, surf internet, use emails, and book tickets and do online shopping. At school we use computer for different purpose like teach students, prepare report cards, timetable, presentation and test paper. Student use computer to prepare project, gather information, learn different subject, and to do activities like play game and online exams. Then at hospital, computers are used to maintain record of treatment details of patients, perform operations, research and find the cure for disease, perform medical test and checkup. So these are the uses of computer at hospital. At the field of entertainment, computers are used to make a feature films and animation movies like cartoons, add special effects in movies, create characters and scenes of flood, fire and storm, add sounds and movement and expression to cartoon characters. At bank, computers are used to operate ATMs and provide internet banking facilities, keep records of accounts holders and their transactions, do online inquiry of customers' accounts balance, and update account balance, calculate interest, and verify checks of customers. Now today we'll learn about the use of computer at office. At office, computers are used for different tasks. Computers used in office for performing different tasks like make and keep record of office documents, make and keep records of office documents, maintain employees' personal details and salary record, maintain employees' personal details and salary records, type and print office documents and prepare presentation. Type and print office documents and prepare presentation, and communicate using emails. Communicate using email. So at office, computers are used to maintain and keep record of office documents, maintain employee personal details and salary records, type and print office documents, and prepare presentation, and communicating using emails. Now let's learn the use of computer at libraries. So computers are used in library for various purposes. Computers are used in libraries for various purposes like access libraries, computerized book database, access libraries, computerized book database. Database means how many books are there in library and regarding which subject and which topics. So that is called database. What are the books we having in library? All the details about that books in computer, that is called database. So access libraries, computerized books database, check records of books issued and returned. Check record of books issued and returned means when books are issued for students and when students are returned that books. So check the record of books issued and returned. Access online research articles and journals. Access online research articles and journals. So these are the use of computer at libraries. Now let's see the use of computer at science and technology. Computers are used for various purposes in the field of science and technology, helping in research and invention, provide fast, accurate and flexible way of handling data, provide fast, accurate and flexible way of handling data, and helping in launching missiles and satellites, conducting experiment, help in launching missiles and satellites, conducting experiments, making different scientific equipment and weather forecasting, helping in launching missiles and satellites, conducting experiments, making different scientific equipment and weather forecasting. So these are the use of computer at science and technology. Now let's see the use of computer in designing field. Computers help in the field of designing various ways. Engineers use computer to design cars, scientific apparatus and equipment. Engineers use computers to design cars, scientific apparatus and equipments. Architects use computer to design house and buildings. Architects use computers to design houses and buildings. Now let's see the use of computer at shops and hotels. Computers are used for various purposes in shops and hotels. Computers are used for various purposes in shops and hotels. Generate bill and maintain salary details of employee. Generate bills and maintain salary details of employee. Keep a record of items sold. In shops, computers are used to keep record of items sold. Manage data of employees and customer. Manage data of employee and customer. So these are the use of computer at various places. In our next video, we will learn about more things of computers. Till that time, students, stay healthy, stay safe, keep learning.